Okay, what's up? What's going on? So today's gonna be fun. We are photographing with the 7Artisan 10mm fisheye lens, and we're here at the Mission Inn. Pretty cool place. Been here a couple of times, shot a couple of weddings. I'm here with Star. What's up, Star? What's going on? Okay, we're gonna start off right about here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place Star right here in the center, right here, line her up with this pillar. I'm gonna bring her a little bit closer. And with this lens, what I need to do is digital zoom, then focus manually, because it is a manual focus lens. And so here we go. And it's really more about the environment, but today we have a subject, which is really cool, really awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect, perfect. Love it, love it. Now we're gonna use this palm tree, and maybe you can lean up against the palm tree a little bit, if possible. Cool, cool, cool. Yes, yes, yes. You're just minding your own business. I'm not even here, so we gotta focus. Kind of like that. And then we're gonna do kind of like maybe a wide shot from over here. And let's go.
Nice shot.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Let's see if we can use this somehow. Maybe kind of like lean up against it. Bam, bam, bam. Kind of like, yes, yes, yes. And I'm gonna come in, maybe kind of like this. Yeah, okay, hold it, hold it. We're gonna focus. I'm gonna bring you a little bit more this way, right in the center, right there. Let's do one where you're kind of like hanging and leaning towards the camera, and I'm gonna be shooting from down here. We'll try this right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Cool, let's go. Let's see. Right about right here. Let's do something here. Right in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Almost done. Yeah, like you're kind of like looking down, eyes closed, yes. Let's go. Let's try something. The mirror, the mirror. I'm gonna bring you up against the mirror. Focus. Cool. Let's see, Star, I'm gonna bring you and place you maybe right in the middle. And let me see, here we go. 1 second, right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Cool. Maybe we'll do something a little bit more dramatic, and we'll place you right here like you're looking out, looking to the left or looking to the right, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Yes, yes, yes. Hold it. Focus. Okay. Oh, I like that. Look a little bit more like profile shot. Bring your hair back so I can see your face. Yes. Okay, perfect. Let's go. So I'm thinking you're gonna be right here, Star, and I want this kind of like bam, I'm just leaning and life is fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, exactly that. Hold. hold it, let me focus. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this little area here somehow. And, oh, I like this. You wanna sit down? Let's try a sitting down one. And so we're gonna manual focus, and here we go. Cool, I'm gonna get a little bit close to you. It looks like I'm getting close, but that's just the way it goes. 1, 2. Eyes closed, yes. Cool, let's move. Actually, let's use one of these doors right here. Maybe, bam, something like that. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, I like this composition. Let's keep playing right here. Let's play around. Maybe if you want to lean up against one edge. You're looking over there, no big deal, yes. Okay, Now I'm gonna get really close. I like this. I'm gonna get really close right here. And then kind of like eyes closed, hands up. Yes. The shots that I definitely want to get are the ones from in here, in this area. So we're probably gonna go down maybe like 2 more floors and record from there. Actually, we're gonna go all the way down for sure and then take a picture upward. We're gonna try this spot right here. We have the manual focus. There she is. Nice and sharp. I'm gonna bring you more in the center. More this way. Yes, right there. And then like your chin down to your shoulder, eyes closed. Yes. And these are the pictures. So the plan is to go all the way down here and photograph upward in this direction. Okay, so I'm thinking we'll place Star right about here. She'll be sitting down. Open up our aperture. Decrease our shutter speed to 100. Increase our ISO to like 800. We're probably gonna go into vertical mode for these. Yeah, vertical looks better. Let's make sure she's in focus. And then once she's in focus, we can go crazy and start taking pictures. And she's in focus. Okay, we're going crazy. Okay, so we're going from here to here now. And that's still our main focus. So here we go. I'm going to center myself with her. Turn it vertically. And here we go. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, because the sun's coming in from the right, I'm gonna use the sun and make everything else dark. Maybe place her, oh, this mirror, there's a mirror there. Let's try a mirror, hold on. Okay, 1 second. Yes. Okay, cool. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this light, maybe kind of like you're leaning up against the window. Not leaning, but like both hands kind of like this, and you're kind of like looking out. I want the sun in your face, and I'm gonna make everything dark. Let me see what we're getting. Okay, we're getting something cool. You can see my shadow. And you're looking out, yes, I love that. Right there. Lean in towards me, like look over here, maybe. Yeah, right here, yes. Perfect. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Let's go. Stop, because I still need enough light to hit you. Bring both hands kind of like this, yes. Cool. Stop right here. I'm gonna place you right here. Okay, here we go. Let me focus on you. Let's see, maybe your hand. Let's go, let's go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this door to frame the picture, and I'm thinking we're gonna get really close to star for these, or star's gonna get really close to me. We're gonna go to 400 ISO, 200th of a second. Aperture is f4. Okay, that's what we're getting. And let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna transition into video mode with the fisheye lens. Now this isn't gonna be the thumbnail. The thumbnail is gonna be something cool. So this is 10mm, no image stabilization. Maybe I'll add it in post. Handheld, and we can see everything. Auto white balance. Thank you, thank you. And you can see everything. We're gonna make things a little bit darker, brighter. We're at 5000 ISO. I'm sure we got some good pictures. I hope we got some good pictures. What do you think, Star? You think we got something good?
We got some good money makers.
Some good money makers. That's what I want to hear. And if you made it this far, thank you very much, and we're good to go. Nixon, where's Nixon? He got married here. And yeah, there's Nixon right there. What's up, Nixon? Things are crazy right now. You'd be laughing your ass off.